WeRelyLocal.com presents Dream Clean 123. Transform your home, office, or Airbnb rental with Dream Clean 123. Are you overwhelmed by clutter? Watch as chaos turns into cleanliness before your eyes. Messy offices and homes transform into spotless sanctuaries in just seconds. See the magic happen. Our professionals swiftly wipe down surfaces, mop floors, and bring your spaces back to life. With Dream Clean 123, we make cleaning simple, fast, and affordable. Don't miss out. Small business owners, unlock $25 off your second cleaning and sweeten the deal with 20% off on all commercial cleanings. A spotless environment is just a call away. Why wait? Free your location from the mess today. Trust Dream Clean 123 for a brighter, cleaner space. Click the link to book now and enjoy a clutter-free life.